I'm presuming you mean cafetiere. So what coffee do you recommend for a cafetiere? Well, what coffee? Or do you mean like how ground? Because any coffee will work, depending on what you like. If you like a dark roast or light roast. But how you grind it is really important, because if it's too thick, if it's too big, then it won't merge well. It won't make coffee well. What you need to do is use something like this, or get it ground from wherever you get it, and grind it down to a dust. I should have a video of that, so it should look something like this. That way it's going to incorporate with the coffee in the cafetiere as you leave it, and then when you strain it and pour it, it should be great.